So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be telling you guys how you can use MiniMax M2.5 free on Opencode. So basically it's a really good model. It works very well in coding and stuff. It's also good for text to text speech and stuff like that. First we can see the benchmarks and stuff. Let's see the benchmark first. So here you can see the HWE bench verified has a score of 80.2, MiniMax M2.5, and Claude Opus 4.6 has 80.8, and Opus 4.7 has 80.9. So it's basically like competing with the Claude Opus 4.6, you can like expect good results with this. Is very good, and basically it's at the fraction of the cost. Now here in coding you can see it has got 80.2, same results. Then Claude Opus 4.7 80.9, and Opus 4.6 80.8. Basically Opus 4.6 and Opus 4.7 doesn't have any major difference in them. They are basically the same. They are like a slight improvement. Claude Opus 4.7 is like a slight improvement from Claude Opus 4.6. And here you can see the SWE Bench Pro and other like benchmarks. Basically, this is the SW bench verified is basically the industry standard that everyone like uses to compare the models and all. Here you can see the search and tool calling efficiency. It's actually really good. Even though like Cloud Opus 4.6 and 4.7 is a bit better, but still it doesn't matter that much sometimes. But actual coding efficiency matters. And here you can see the office work stuff, but mainly today we will be using minimax m2.5 in coding work, since it's in open code. Here you can see the efficiency. Now cost, here you can see. Okay, now you here you can see the front end models. It basically competes with the front end models like opus and gpt codex, and it's like 0.3 uh, dollars per million input token and $2.4 per million output tokens, which is very cheap. If you think of getting the API key from their actual like website gateway, this is like the other stuff, other benchmarks and all. Yeah, so this is all. Let's move to OpenCode installation. First, we'll go to OpenCode's website. Yeah, my typing is bad. Now we want to go here. Here we have come to OpenCode. Here you can check out all the skills and stuff, the tool called search and the things that it has. It's actually very good in its segment. It has really good efficiency and tool calling search skills. So we're gonna use npm for now. Make sure you have Node.js installed. For that, you can just go to Node.js, and here you can get Node.js. You can get the MSI installer. So I'm gonna skip that since I already have that. You're gonna come to npm, here like open code, copy the npm command, go here, paste it, and tap enter. We'll let it install. Wait for like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. It depends on how fast your PC is. It's added. You can see added 3 packages in 12 seconds. Now we will go to now we will create a folder where we can create code and stuff. Let's go to desktop and create a new folder. Let's name it test open code. open this, open this in terminal. Now to launch Opencode, you have to just type Opencode and boom, Opencode is launched. We can just full screen that. It's like if it is small, like high, let's see how fast it is. So it thought for 5 milliseconds and gave me a reply. Now let's give it a small test, like build me a simple to do app, but would UI. Let's see how fast it is. It thought it basically searched for in the directory to so see it what created do we an have. Implementation plan. This is the implementation plan, the to do. Now you can see it's thinking. It created the file. It's a 400 line file, 500 line file, and it created very fast. That's how fast it is. You can see it is very fast. Now let's tell it to run it so I can test it. So it opened it up. If it's calling it then task, we can just name it new task and it creates the task. It's active. You can just mark it done and boom, it's completed. Zero tasks remaining. Again, we can test it out again. New task 2, add, you can see active. There's one task remaining. Boom. You can see it's very fast and it provided like a 500 line code in 20 seconds. That's pretty fast, to be honest. And there is no actual like authentication or anything, no API keys and stuff. Minimax has um, the collaboration with Opencode, so they provide free API keys to them, and we can use it unlimited right now. I mean, I don't know how long this will be free for, but at least use this as much as you can for this time. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure to use this a lot and be healthy, be nice, and peace.